Di ba naman ako
Huwag mo nilabas.
Hindi sinabi. Anyway, well, number one, we just got an import that can match up with the import of any opponent. I think that we got the chance every time. Gary just played as usual. Okay, and what's important is that those guys who were coming off the bench, they were able to step up. You know, the sense of urgency was really in our bearings earlier because we think that we cannot just go 0-3. You know, we believe that we can match up with any team. We just have to find it in ourselves to do the things that we should do better. You know? I think that the bottom line of our win earlier was because of our bench. You know, our starters were able to get the job done, but those who stepped up in the bench was able to do the job also for us.
Gary, feeling na nakakuha na rin panalo.
Siyempre, masaya kami tapos yung moral tumaas ngayon, lalo na sa mga new guys namin. Nakuha namin yung unang panalo para sa kanila tapos sa import. Kaya happy kami sa naging move nila, coach, na talagang palitan yung unang import namin. Kaya maganda yung binibigay na kumpiyansa ng import namin, tsaka talagang kumbaga winner siya eh. Kaya ayun yung naging dahilan kaya nilaro namin para manalo. Tsaka mahirap mabaon eh sa gantong short conference. Mahirap mabaon, kaya talagang yung eagerness namin na manalo, talagang kinuha namin ngayon.
Thank you, guys.